Hello everyone! Welcome back to Easy Survival English. Today's story is about a busy morning and a small but stressful problem. Missing a train. Cristiano and Taylor are going to an important meeting. They plan everything carefully, but the morning has other ideas. Let's begin.
Oh no, it's already 8:10.
Relax, we still have time.
The train leaves at 8:25. We need to hurry.
Okay. Finish your coffee.
I can't. It's too hot anyway.
Just one sip. You'll need energy.
Mornings are not my best time.
That's why preparation is important.
To hurry means to move fast because you don't have much time. Example: we need to hurry or we'll miss the train.
Phone?
Yes,
Tickets?
in my bag.
Wallet?
Yes. Wait. Yes.
Good. Let's go.
Wait. Did you lock the door?
Yes, I always double check.
I wish I was that calm.
Double check means to check again to be sure.
Why is everyone so slow today?
Because we are late.
I hate being late. It makes me nervous.
I don't like it either. But stay calm.
Easy for you to say. You're always calm.
Not always. I just practice it.
I should practice too.
Out of breath means breathing fast after running. Example: I'm out of breath after running.
Wait! Wait!
Oh no.
We missed it.
Yeah, the train just left.
Great. Just great.
Take a deep breath.
I can't believe this.
Sometimes, even when you try your best, things don't work out.
What do we do now?
Let's check the schedule.
Next train in 30 minutes.
That's not too bad.
It feels bad.
Feelings are normal. But problems need solutions.
Okay. What's the solution?
Schedule means a list of times for trains or events.
Coffee?
Yes. Strong coffee, please.
Milk or no milk?
Milk. I need comfort right now.
See? This isn't so terrible.
You might be right.
Sometimes delays are gifts.
That sounds like a song lyric.
Delay means something happens later than planned.
Do you ever feel stressed when you're late?
Of course, but stress doesn't help.
I always think about the worst result.
I think about what I can control.
Like what?
My attitude, my actions.
That's smart.
Stress means feeling worried or nervous.
Attention passengers, the next train will arrive in 5 minutes.
Finally!
See? Patience works.
Okay, lesson learned.
Patience means waiting calmly without anger.
Ready?
Ready.
Window or aisle?
Window. I like watching the city.
Me too. It helps me relax.
Aisle seat equals next to the walkway. Window seat equals next to the window.
You know what?
What?
Missing the train wasn't the worst thing.
Exactly. We slowed down.
And talked.
And enjoyed good coffee.
And good company.
Always.
Great job, everyone! Today you practiced English for time, travel, emotions, and daily problems. Question for you. Have you ever missed a train or bus? What did you do? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning English with Easy Survival English.